Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FastTrackRepair. In this video, we're diving into FastTrackRepair, a credit repair service you might want to check out. If you're thinking about using their services, I've included links in the description below. We'll cover its key features, who it's best suited for, and why it stands out in the credit repair market. FastTrackRepair offers a streamlined approach to credit repair, perfect for those who need efficient and effective help boosting their credit score. Whether you're dealing with inaccurate information on your credit report, outdated accounts, or past late payments, FastTrackRepair is designed to get you results quickly. One of their standout features is the expedited dispute process. They focus on swiftly identifying and correcting errors or inaccuracies on your credit reports. They work directly with all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, ensuring comprehensive review and dispute resolution. Importantly, FastTrackRepair's methods adhere to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, so you can rest assured that disputes are handled professionally and legally. Beyond dispute resolution, FastTrackRepair creates a personalized action plan for each user. After signing up, you'll receive a thorough evaluation of your credit profile, accompanied by actionable steps specifically tailored to your situation. This plan includes strategies for debt reduction, optimizing credit utilization, and building a positive credit history, all designed for long-term credit score improvement. To keep you in the loop, they offer a user-friendly tracking portal. This allows you to monitor the status of disputes, track progress in real time, and access reports that show how your credit score is changing. Regular updates and notifications ensure you're always informed about the progress being made. Moreover, FastTrackRepair provides valuable educational resources to empower clients with the knowledge they need for effective credit management. These resources cover important topics such as budgeting, improving credit habits, and understanding credit scores. You'll gain the tools to maintain and improve your credit long into the future. If you need a results-oriented, fast-acting credit repair service, FastTrackRepair deserves your consideration. Their blend of efficiency, transparency, and individualized support makes them a compelling option for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being. Check out the links in the description to get started today.